Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today I wanted to show you my fall tablescape. I have some things from last year and I added some blue this year and some whites. It's called cobalt blue, glasses and vases and the traditional colors for fall, and the plates. I'm in my den where I have all my plants. I did 4 place settings, one in the back there. Pretty fall colors, 2 big pumpkins and 4 glass pumpkins, and the beige napkins. Starting some fall decor. Some pretty colors, brightens up the home. Pretty bright colors, oranges and yellows, greens. And I want to thank you all for watching. Bye bye for now.